Hello and a really big warm welcome to this presentation from Pluralsight. My name is Andrew Mallett and I'm here as your instructor to help guide you through the module Backup and Restore Operations on Linux Servers. Now as we go through, we're going to be able to find out that backups are a little bit like parachutes. Yes, parachutes. If you don't have one when you need it, you'll certainly never need one ever again. So let's make sure we've got some backups. And we're going to create those backups using the Tape Archive tool, or TAR. But don't worry about tapes. We can pretty much back up to any medium, and backing up to several media is always a great idea. Our three main options are -C to create the archive, -T to test or verify the archive, and then we have -X to extract the archive. And we're going to be able to look at our first one of these, creating our tape archive, in the demonstration. But you're only going to see it if you join me. Are you ready to join me at the command line? Well, that didn't take us long to find the command line, did it? We are here and we are ready to go. But let's say that we want to back up our documentation directory. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a look at how much space it consumes. So DU for disk usage, -S for summary, and H for human readable. We're going to look at USR, share, and then doc. The total space is showing here as 65 meg. Now let's see what happens when I create my tape archive. So I can go tar, -C to create, F to point to the backup file, and I can call this, let's say, doc.tar. And then I'm going to use escape and dot to call my last argument. We can see some warnings coming back, and it just recalls the files, but without their full path. So they're always stored as relative paths. But let's look at the size of this file. ls-l, H for human readable, and then we called the file doc.tar, and when I look at that, that is 51 meg. Now it's important that this is not compressed. But you're going to say, well, it must be because we've gone from 65 meg to 51 meg. But it is not compressed. We're just making better use of our disk space. Within our file storage, we have 4K blocks. A file of only 1K is going to consume the full 4K. So if we have many 1K files, we are losing a lot of disk space. But with a single backup file, we're making more efficient use of the disk space.